Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG dryer light bulb. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new light bulb. The light bulb lights up the inside of the dryer. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and it's not turning on when you open the dryer door. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the light bulb. It's right up here on the inside of the drum at about 10 o'clock. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds the lens on. Once you have the screw out, we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just kind of push up on the bottom of the lens to release it. We can use the screwdriver to pull it out and lift up on it a little bit more. Once you have it free, you can set it aside. And we can reach in and unscrew the light bulb. Once you have it unscrewed, you can pull it out of the dryer. Here's the old light bulb next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new light bulb in, all you have to do is screw it into the socket. Then we can put the light lens back in. We're just going to put the bottom in first and make sure it goes down. Once you have it snapped in, you can lift it up. And we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in. Now that we have the part installed, we can close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.